these are memory modules from Japan. So I bought them like 9,000 yen. So it's around 4,500 pesos. So if you can see, these modules are made from Japan, and they have the Elixir. The maker is Elixir.
Hindi, memory module ang maker.
if if you can see, it has the Core 2 Duo and a 2 gig DDR3. Okay? So right now we will be installing the RAM. This RAM to my MacBook.
Okay.
So now we will open this Mac. Okay, to install my new RAM.
Underneath the skylight, I watch constellations of sequin mannequins are in sync. Runization, they get on shaking their thermometers are in sync.
So the first one is out. Hindi pa. Okay. So I hope I don't screw this up. Okay, now so I got them both.
Yo, Joe, what's the problem, Joe? Tama ba yung site?
Oo. Yun, yun na. Ganun pala to, tapos dadawin ko para mag-switch siya. Okay, so we got the first one now.
Ito na bago. May warranty naman yan.
Ayan. Warranty.
Warranty. Pagbalik niya, putol yung mga pins.
Saan what happened? Ako naputol bigla eh.
Yun.
Naputol siya mag-isa. Ayun. So it seems that we got it now in place. 1, 2, 3.
And it's not working!
Ayun. Welcome to Windows 95. Mag-work ata to.
Let's see now if this won't.
Parang bagal ah. Sa'yo
Taga.
mabilis lang ano.
Baka nag-ano,
Nagre-read pa.
baka meron lang. Pinapa-tune pa yung memory. Memory incompatible. Memory incompatible.
Ayun.
Yun na.
Ayun na.
Okay.
Limito na si ano, Lion.
We
Ang
have
Lion.
the Lion now, and let's just see if parang Jarong about this Mac.
And
And
then, how many gigabytes?
how many gigabytes now?
Whoa,
4. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So this memory. Okay, so it's a goodbye for the Mac. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Watch constellations of